Hi, I'm Julia with Blackbird & Company. It's unboxing day. Congratulations, you've received your 8th grade language arts collection. Each box has been carefully hand-packed to ensure that all items arrive to you undamaged. This means that the materials are not packed in any particular order. So let's open and organize the contents together. Inside this box is everything you need for a fun and successful 8th grade language arts experience. Let's see what's inside. Starting off, we have a unboxing handout. Then we have some wonderful novels. We have books on the periodic table and their accompanying journal. We have a teacher helps, our literature guides, Operation Lexicon, One True Sentence, Introduction to the Essay, another novel, and books that go with our essay unit. Now that we've opened and organized our materials, what now? A great place to start is with the unboxing handout. It's really important to read this small packet because it gives lots of really good guidance and strategies to get started. Blackbird & Company's curriculum is a really unique program designed to develop and encourage your students' reading, writing, and thinking skills. There are 5 components that make up the 8th grade materials: Literature and Writing Bundles, Tools of Style, Book 4, Operation Lexicon, Inklings, Introduction to the Essay, Volume 3, and Research Writing, Elemental Journal. The core component is the Literature and Writing Discovery Guides. You will find 6 of these student journals paired with 6 wonderful novels. You will also find a Teacher Helps, which covers levels 1 through 3. It is important to read this guide as it will help you understand what is expected of your child along the way. It's also a good idea to read through the front matter of one of the student journals and flip through to get a lay of the land. You only have to do this once as they're all very similar. The 8th grade collection includes Milkweed, The Boy Who Harnessed the Wind, A Wrinkle in Time, The K, A Million Shades of Grey, and Bridge to Terabithia. Sentences are simply a collection of words that convey an idea. When well-crafted sentences are connected wisely one after another, that idea grows deeper and wider. But without the basic tools of construction, grammar, punctuation, and style, meaning and communication are lost. This is where One True Sentence comes in. Instructions can be found in the first few pages of the guide. The 8th grade One True Sentence is Tools of Style, Book 4. Operation Lexicon is vocabulary development. Using words in an original way will help young wordsmiths delight in the beauty of language. The 8th grade Operation Lexicon celebrates the Inklings, C.S. Lewis, and J.R.R. Tolkien. This collection includes Introduction to the Essay, Volume 3. This volume mentors students in the art of writing a literary essay using this student guide and these 5 books. Next, we have Research Writing, Elemental Journal, and the 3 accompanying books. These materials will guide students on an amazing journey through the mysteries of the periodic table. Students will research and catalog their findings on 42 of the 144 known elements. Remember that there are dive deeper resources in your unboxing handout as well as on our website under our parent-teacher drop-down. Contact us anytime you need fine-tuning. We're always here to help. I've had so much fun unboxing the 8th grade language arts collection with you. Remember, you can do this and you're the hero.